Peter Andre enjoyed a romantic date night getaway with wife Emily after his manhood was brought up in court. The mysterious girl singer, 49, put his worries behind him as he headed to the luxury five-star Alexander House Hotel and Spa set in the rolling West Sussex countryside. 4. Peter Andre and wife Emily headed to West Sussex for a romantic break. Credit, Instagram. 4. The loved-up pair enjoyed a relaxing spa experience. Credit, Instagram. The couple escaped to the romantic getaway spot for a relaxing spa experience. The pair indulged in dishes that celebrate the Sussex countryside and the glorious artisan producers of the region. Peter shared a snap of the exquisite meal and a photo of Emily looking stunning in a blue polka dot dress as they dined at the grand venue. Their getaway comes after Rebecca Vardy famously claimed the singer had the smallest trouser equipment she's ever seen. The comments were brought up as she appeared in the High Court last week as part of the ongoing Agatha Christie case against Colleen Rooney. A source told OK! Magazine, Pete wasn't told his name would be mentioned in a major court case and he feels it's totally wrong. This story has been regurgitated for 15 years and he's been biting his lip for 15 years. For someone else to talk about personal parts of his body is upsetting for him and his family. He's got children that go to school and can hear all of this. It shouldn't be allowed for someone to do this to another person. Thank God she's admitted it's a made-up story. The singer is married to Emily, 32, and is dad to Amelia, 8, and Theo, 5, as well as his teenage kids Junior, 16, and Princess, 14, with ex-Katie Price. Last week Pete broke his silence on the Chipolata comment, saying he had been mocked for 15 years after her cruel claims. In a now-deleted post, the emotional star said, 15 years this has been going on, and I kept quiet and didn't say anything. I let everyone have their laugh and say what they wanted to say. Just think if I had said this about her anatomy and made up something unflattering, there would be outrage. The only one who sits there and takes hit after hit about it, is me. Think about how it would feel if it was the other way around. Alongside the video, he added, just a couple of things first. Sorry to Emily and children that have had to see and hear some not very nice things. 4. The singer gave a glimpse of their meal which celebrates the Sussex countryside. Credit, Instagram. 4. Emily beamed as she dined with her husband on their getaway. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.